Hey guys, Pete from London Camera Exchange. Canon's 80D has become one of the most popular digital SLRs on the market for enthusiast photographers and video content creators. Today, Canon announced this, the brand new 90D. Building on all the features you previously loved, Canon have updated and listened to the feedback from their users. We've come here today to check it out and put it through its paces. Built around Canon's own newly developed 32.5 megapixel APS-C size CMOS sensor, we see a healthy increase to the pixel range when compared to the 90D's predecessor. The sensor is also coupled with the latest Digit8 imaging processor, meaning the 90D not only delivers exquisitely detailed images, but low light performance, continuous burst shooting and video capture have all enjoyed an upgrade too. Still being an APS-C camera, the 90D, when partnered with a telephoto lens, is ideal for anyone shooting wildlife and sports to action and adventures. With a continuous burst shooting up to 10 frames per second with intelligent tracking and recognition focus, or ITR for short, along with 45 cross-type autofocus points, allows you to lock onto your subjects quickly and easily. With a 220,000 pixel RGB metering sensor, the 90D is not only accurate with exposure, but also in recognizing your subjects too. An increase in the top shutter speed takes the 90D to a maximum 16,000th of a second, while shooting with the electronic shutter, being a first for this level of camera from Canon. The ISO ranges from 100 to 25,600, or expanded to 51,200, allowing you to shoot handheld or at higher shutter speeds in more challenging environments. To the rear of the camera we see a multi-control joystick taken from the higher level Pro cameras, making the 90D the first of its range to adopt this feature. Having this helps when navigating settings and changing your focus point, giving you far better accuracy and speed when chasing your subjects. Holding it in your hands, the 90D feels comfortable to use and weighs approximately 25 grams less than its predecessor, yet still feels really well balanced even when shooting with long telephoto lenses. The popularity of the 80D with video users has pushed the 90D's movie capture performance even further. You can now shoot up to 4K footage at 25 or 30p uncropped, or drop it down to Full HD to create some dreamy, smooth, slow motion content. Focusing while in video is fast, smooth and responsive thanks to the dual pixel autofocus, and when using the bright vari-angled 3-inch touchscreen, you'll never miss a frame while shooting. Canon has also included the built-in headphone socket and 3.5mm jack, so you can attach an external microphone for superior audio capture. You can shoot for longer with a battery life capable of capturing up to 1300 shots using the same LP-E6N battery seen in the 80D. Users from the previous two models will rejoice as you can use the same BG-E14 battery grip on the 90D, saving you from having to fork out more money when you upgrade your body. Onboard connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mean you can always be connected via a smart device, whether you want to instantly share your content or take control via remote access. For anyone shooting high-octane action from wildlife to trackside who wants to capture every drop of detail, the EOS 90D will really tick the box for you. With its 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, along with the 45-point AF system and the dual pixel AF, the 90D not only utilizes the Digit8 processor for up to 10 frames per second continuous shooting, but also that glorious EOS 4K movie mode. For any more information, check out the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.